Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export a Goodreads library. All right. It is actually pretty easy to do. So first up, go ahead and go to goodreads.com and make sure that you log in. Now go ahead and click on My Books. All right. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, here you have your books, or this is basically your shelf. Okay. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to the left panel, which is right here. Now go ahead and locate Tools. And under that, we have the Import and Export option. All right, we're just going to click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to click on Export Library right here at the top. Click on it. Now here I have my export data. All right, so I'm just going to click on this link right here and wait for it to load. Now here we have the download page. So I'm going to save it on my desktop. And if you want, you can go ahead and rename this, like for example, 2025 May, like that. And it's going to be saved as a CSV. Just go ahead and hit on save. As you can see here, it's done. When I open it up, here I have my data. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.